Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, April 26th. We're looking at Window Traders Market Profile of SPY, IWM, and Triple Qs. And that short covering from yesterday, it lasted all of really one afternoon yesterday, right? Where change took place. J, K, L, and M. Whoever went home long out of momentum buying really got hurt today. And then all the momentum buyers from yesterday got out and the shorts started piling in. We are at a very, very delicate area for this market as all three of these indices are either right above or right below this year's lows right now. You have huge earnings out. Microsoft and Google, I think, just came out. Looks like Q's pushed down some more. Well, we all pushed down some more here in end period. You got Facebook tomorrow, and then you got Amazon and Apple on Thursday night. You got the Fed next Wednesday. Now, the weekly is down. The dailies are down. The monthly, right now, I would still be calling, but we're definitely in balance still in SPY and ES. I would still call it balance for triple Qs right now. Right? We still have 3 days left to go in this month. We'll see how it plays out. Right? Balance rules. Are they going to just stretch the balance and come back into it? Or are they going to go below and not look back? Well, I think these tech earnings are going to have a lot to say about that. And right now, as you can see, they're pushing pretty good below their yearly low. But again, this is after hours. I don't count end period. So even though they closed below in M, 317.45 was the low, we'll have to see what happens tomorrow. I had a good day today. I had two really nice trades. I'll go over all of them, but again, a lot of them were small. I didn't do anything in A period. I shorted B period twice with 422 put plays when the market was coming in. I did take one long in B against the point of control from yesterday, which was 11 wide, not 8 wide. I have to update that, which worked out. That was a 420 call. And then when the market continually pushed down, I did nothing but short C period and D period with 423 puts a bunch of times. I did take a long in E against yesterday's low the first time on the 418 calls, which worked out. Now, one of my better trades was in F, as I told the room, we had a double distribution day at the time. We went out with a triple distribution day, by the way, right? 2 sets of single prints. And incredibly, we were 10 wide. But it felt like even though they kept pushing, we couldn't get yesterday's low. I said, before we get yesterday's low, I think we're going to stop the one-time framing. And by the way, look at the way this market's pushing. So I have not looked at Google or Microsoft's earnings, but obviously the market doesn't like them. So before we even took out E's high, I innovated and bought 40 of the 422 calls, and then boom, we popped. It turned out to be a really nice trade for me in F. Then in I said to the room, we were doing a tremendous amount of volume right here. I said, I think there were very good odds. Pocket at the time was D's high. I said, I think we lower it. So when we went up in I took a quick 20-lot put play, and I'm telling you, it hit G's low to low to POC at that point and ripped down. It was an incredibly quick trade, which was nice. And then after that, the market was really tough. I didn't do much. I took two very small call plays in K and L. We weren't really getting any tempo or volume when I took those. And then eventually, obviously, L and M got good tempo and volume. I mean, these Qs are ripping lower now. They're almost over $4 lower than M's low. So again, I haven't looked. Wait, let's see if I can see where Google's trading. It looks like Google might be down $150. I'm not sure where Microsoft is. And that was my trading for the day. So it was a good day overall. We don't have many downside destinations left for 2022. 4 months into the year, and all we have is today's low and 3 other lows, which are going to be in big danger coming into tomorrow. But first, let's go up with our upside destinations, which is the price probe. I'm telling you, if we've price probed once, we've price probed 1,000 times this year. It's amazing. It's got to be 75% of the days we've made a new high or low on the year in M period. 417.61 L's low is our price probe. Then our first set of single prints, M's high to I's low, 418.46 to 74 cents. Then we were 10 wide at 420.57. Afternoon rally high in G at 422.31. That is a textbook afternoon rally high. You have single prints both above and even below. The market got too short. They tried to rally, failed, rolled over, and said goodnight. And then our other set of single prints, 422.59, C's high to A's low, filled at 423.43. Today's high of 426.04. For the downside, 416.07, today's low. 415.79, weekly low. 415.12, monthly low. 410.64, so far, monthly low and this year's low. And then below that, and please write these down, 410.56 price probe from May 19th of 2021, 407.59, afternoon pullback low from May 19th. And then 405.33 weekly low and 404.79 monthly low. I'm not going to be repeating those. Now, let's take a look at these charts. So look at the way this pushed down. SPY pushed down to, it looks like, just around 312 on that move. Amazing. Now, let's go to the charts. So here's SPY. Here's our monthly. We're still in the 3-month balance. Now, believe it or not, we have 3 days to go. We still have an inside month. We did not take out last month's low yet. We have now pre-market, after hours, but that doesn't mean anything. If we open tomorrow where we're trading now, then we take it out. But we still are in balance, okay? Crucial that they hold the bottom of this balance, or things can get ugly. But we are in balance on the monthly. Weekly, clearly down. Daily, remember I said until they take out yesterday's high, even though that was a great rally yesterday, nothing changed, down. So even though we had that huge rally yesterday of $10, now in 4 trading days, we've gone from 450 to 416. $34 move. That's a hell of a move. And it's mostly short-term traders. So here's these 3 lows we're talking about. Weekly low, monthly low, yearly low. Be pretty interesting. Now I'll show the others real quick. Russell, new low on the year. They made a new low today. They're still balanced though. All right, we'll see how it ends at the end of the month. Do they really push down the next 3 days or not? But right now, I would call it balance still. And triple Qs on the monthly, I would also call balance, even though they made a new low on the year. We'll see what transpires over the next 3 days. Rest up, my fellow traders. Good luck. Have a great night's sleep. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. We had a really good day. We keep people, obviously the purpose is to make money trading, but keeping people out of trouble is a huge part of the educational process in our room also. So for $30 a month, come check us out at camelbacktrading.org, and I'll speak to you prior to the opening tomorrow.